Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Hi, my dear students and honorable guardians. Welcome to our faithful and appropriate institute, Greenside Residential School and College, Nilphamari. I hope that all of you are very well by the clemency of gracious Allah. Our institute has passed the most of the time of this year, and we have tried to make the students skilled and experienced beside providing academic quality education in co-curricular activities as like Islam and moral education, basic computer learning, spoken English, sports, debate and art culture, etc. And Alhamdulillah, we are very close to success. My honorable well-wisher guardians, we have already designed some important educational scheme for the new year, like to learn how to practice Islam and morality in real life, how to apply computer in educational journey, how to speak English in British and American accent, to participate at Math Olympiad, to discover new something for the welfare of mankind by the help of science. Moreover, we are trying to apply 4 characteristics of our all students. Number 1, knowledge. Number 2, skills. Number 3, perspective. Number 4, values. So, once again, we are inviting all of you to visit to Greenside Residential School and College. Allah Hafiz.